The egg will bake bread, casserole, cakes, and pies better than your kitchen oven. And you'll be amazed when you bite into the most delicious slice of pizza you've ever eaten. Just taste it to believe it, and you'll never want to cook indoors again. Let's get started. Top off and light the Big Green Egg Natural Lump Charcoal. The mix of 100% natural oak and hickory wood ensures an even fire and unmatched flavor. After a few minutes, add the convector, which provides a heat barrier between the charcoal and food. The convection effect radiates surrounding heat from the charcoal and dome, turning your egg into a wood fire oven. Next, add the cooking grid. Bring the egg up to the desired temperature. Baking temperatures generally range from 350 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, but thinner pizzas and flatbreads are more often quick baked at a higher temperature up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Generally, foods are baked in the egg at the same temperature that you would use with an indoor oven. The combination of precise temperature control and the heat retention of the ceramics in the egg and the pizza and baking stone creates the perfect environment for baking. As pizza and baked goods cook, moisture is drawn to the stone for an authentic, crispy, brick oven-style crust that is impossible to recreate in an indoor oven or an ordinary barbecue grill. Please note, never quickly open a hot egg all the way. Burping your egg allows air to slowly and safely enter the dome, preventing any flare-ups that could escape from the front towards you. Just raise the lid an inch or two and pause to burp it before raising the dome completely. You should get in the habit of burping your egg, especially if you've been cooking at temperatures above 300 degrees Fahrenheit, as it's always a good idea to let fresh air into the hot egg slowly when you open it.